In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record in Zoho WorkDrive. We'll walk through the exact steps you need, and by the end, you'll be able to capture your screen and save it directly to your WorkDrive without any extra tools. First, open Zoho WorkDrive and navigate to the My Folders section. This is your main storage area where all your personal files and folders live. Make sure you're in the correct space where you want your recording to be saved. If you use multiple folders for different projects, it's a good idea to open the specific folder first, so your screen recording will automatically be stored there and stay organized. Once you're inside the right folder, look for the option to create or add new content. Among the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Record. Go ahead and click on Record. This tells Zoho WorkDrive that you want to capture something new instead of uploading an existing file. After you click Record, you'll be given a few choices for what you want to capture. Here, choose Screen. Selecting Screen means Zoho will record what you see on your monitor instead of recording your webcam or just your microphone. This is perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, presentations, or anything where you want to show exactly what you're doing on your computer. When you click Screen, your browser or device will usually display some on-screen prompts. These prompts can vary slightly depending on your browser or operating system, but the idea is the same. You'll be asked what you want to share. You might see options like your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular browser tab. Choose the option that best fits what you want to record. For example, if you're demonstrating how to use a website, selecting a single browser tab might keep things cleaner and more focused. Next, confirm any permissions that appear. Your browser may ask if you want to allow Zoho WorkDrive to access your screen, and in some cases, your microphone, if you're recording narration. Make sure you click Allow, so the recording can start properly. Once you've followed those on-screen prompts and confirmed your choices, your screen recording will begin. From here, just work through your demonstration as normal. When you're done, stop the